The Bingo Cash chat feature can fail to load even when the rest of the game is working normally. So the first thing to check is whether the problem is limited to chat or affects the entire app. By the end, you'll know which settings to check, how to refresh Bingo Cash, and when the problem is likely related to the app rather than your device. Start by completely closing Bingo Cash and opening it again. Don't leave the app running in the background. On Android, open the recent apps screen and swipe Bingo Cash away before launching it again. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Bingo Cash away, then reopen the app. If chat still shows a blank screen, loading animation, or unavailable message, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, if both are available. If chat works on one connection but not the other, the issue may be related to the network rather than your Bingo Cash account. Next, check whether Bingo Cash has an available update. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Bingo Cash, and look for an update button. Install the available update, then reopen the game. On Android, you can also clear the Bingo Cash cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Bingo Cache, open Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary app data without using the Clear Data option. After clearing the cache, launch Bingo Cash and test the chat feature again. If you're using an iPhone, there isn't a separate system option for clearing an individual app's cache. Instead, you can check for an app update and, if necessary, reinstall Bingo Cash. Before removing the app, make sure you know the login method connected to your Bingo Cash account. If chat is still unavailable while other parts of Bingo Cash work, don't repeatedly change account settings. The chat feature may be experiencing a service-side problem, or the feature may be temporarily unavailable for your account or app version. You can also check whether other Bingo Cash features are working. If games, rewards, or your account screen are also failing to load, treat it as a broader connection or app problem instead of a chat-only issue. If none of these steps restore chat, contact Bingo Cash support through the available support option in the app or its official support channel. Include the device type, app version if available, and the exact message shown on the chat screen. The key fixes are simple. Restart Bingo Cash, test another connection, update the app, and clear the cache on Android. Your next step is to completely close the app and reopen it before changing anything else. If this fixed the Bingo Cash chat problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.